Mr. Rajesh Jejurikar, ED and CEO of Auto and Farm sector, speaking to us about the possible impact of the GST reforms on the auto sector announced by Prime Minister Narendra Modi today. Let's quickly listen in before returning to this conversation.
Well, we'll leave the government to take their decision on what is the right rate of GST for our product category. But the one thing I would say is there's a great opportunity to make automobiles in India for the world. And that opportunity is best leveraged if the size of the Indian market keeps growing faster. And India is still a very under-penetrated auto market. Less than 8 or 9% of the households in India own a car. So there is a huge upside. And the auto industry has a huge GDP multiplier. Is when auto manufacturing goes up, it adds jobs in the supplier ecosystem, it adds jobs in the front-end dealer ecosystem. So there is a huge multiplier effect of an auto growth story. And when that auto growth story can create global platforms and global products, because you make more in India for the Indian market as well as export, I think this sector has the greatest ability to create impact on the growth story really. So let's say we hope for the best, but we leave the best decision for that to the top.
So yes, indeed, it is a welcome move, Rajesh. But along with that, what cut do you believe can really boost the affordability?
Yeah, so India is a price-sensitive market, and hence we always try to keep our products well priced. It's also a market in which customers do look for new technologies. So customers are very knowledgeable, very evolved. And if we keep price points affordable, it's going to lead to category growth. So let's hope for the best.